Alright, what's up, guys? Today we're going to the new map, part 2. This is going to be 13 minutes like last time, and I got a friend. So, let me get my timer real fast. Let me get my timer real fast. Hey Siri, set a timer for 13 minutes.
Hey guys, does it tell you?
Okay, let's go. I don't know how to edit, so I can't cut out anything. So,
okay.
We kind of already got our gadgets. I just need.
Hey, can you close your ears? Can you close your ears really fast? Okay. I want to tell the audience something.
Yes.
Okay. Just close your ears.
Okay. There's no curse words. No curse words.
Okay. Okay. I won't. Okay. So. I $4. I'll pay the card.
Okay, what?
Okay, you can talk.
I couldn't hear you.
Come on, let's go.
Did you say a curse word? Because if I did.
No, I didn't.
Okay,
I didn't.
I just didn't want to restart. My video. I'm trying to be.
I'm a big stepper on the ground.
Whee!
Big stepper on the.
Stop! Whee! So it looks like this thing has like a certain type of radius. Alright, I got my gun ready. Alright, come on, let's go, bro. I'm gonna fire down the hole. Whee! Up here. I know the exit.
But the monster's in here, okay, right?
Yeah, I know.
Oh, Game Boy! Oh my god, I got a Game Boy.
Come here. Follow.
I will. Come on, let's just go.
In here?
This monster is...
It's out here. I'm pretty sure. Oh, I might have took a wrong turn. No, I didn't.
Okay, if the monster is there, we're gonna make a run for it, okay?
Or just use our teleportation guns.
No, wait, right.
Go the other way. He's here.
Turn your light off. You're gonna make it easy.
Go over here. Over here.
I see light.
Okay. Use your teleport gun and teleport to the broken pipe. We're gonna beat this. No! Yo, bro, no!
Sorry.
It's okay.
We revived.
Okay.
Sorry.
We're gonna need our gadgets again.
Hold on, I want to change my
I
skin.
need a teleportation thing.
I'm gonna change my skin, okay?
Okay.
Okay. You probably will like this outfit.
Okay.
Ow! My eyes will burn. Okay. For the eyes, okay. Yes.
Yeah, I can't wait to search this. Let's see our timer. How much time do we have left?
I don't know.
Oh, we have 8 minutes. We have 8 minutes. That's enough time. So I at least get to level 3.
Let's go. I got my outfit ready.
Yo, that looks fire. That looks fire, bro. Alright, come on, let's go. I just need a telegun. I just need a telegun.
Heck no, man. What the heck?
I just need a telegun. That's all.
The teleport gun?
How much are they to unlock? How much are they to unlock?
To unlock?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Like how many research
Yeah.
points are there to unlock?
Oh yeah.
Alright. Are we off?
Hola. I get weapon. Okay.
Yeah, we
I'll get
probably need a weapon.
I'm gonna get a weapon. Okay.
Yeah, we probably need one.
You want a drill?
Honestly, yeah. I've never seen these before. What are these?
Okay, I'm gonna get two. Just in case. Okay.
What are these? I've never seen these before.
They're like drills. You can unlock them. But come on, let's go. You got this. No, don't hit yourself. If you hit yourself, I think you take damage. 3, 2, 1.
Oh!
I spent all my money.
Sorry.
Dang.
Coming, bro.
What's up?
Oh my god.
What's up, my brother? Hold on. Wait, so that green tip on the teleport gun, that green tip, whatever. Yeah. I thought that was like an RPG. We're aiming it at me. I thought it was RPG.
I think we should have brought the big flashlight.
Let's go.
Dang, it's so dark. I can't even see anything. Oh, I can see a red light now. Whee!
Hey, are you coming?
Coming.
Coming down.
Coming.
I see you. No.
Alright, let's go. I remember the...
Let's go.
I accidentally glitched out.
I got a booger. Let's go.
I just accidentally glitched out. Come on, bro. Is this like an infinite use?
Yeah.
This drill and the tele gun is an infinite use.
Oh snap.
Why don't we just kill it?
Yeah, sure. Come on, let's go. I can kill it. I'm out the map. Oh snap. I'm gonna go out the map, okay? I'm gonna get out the map and kill it, okay?
Okay. Yo, bro.
Bro, I just went through. I just clipped through the map.
You did?
I just clipped through the map.
Oh, let's go. Let's just go kill it by force.
Bro, I just...
Yeah, no. Yo, bro? Yo, bro, you there?
I'm there. I can hear you.
Where are you?
Bro, I'm almost dead.
He's on killer mode, isn't he? He's on killer mode, isn't he?
Bro, I cleared the map. Where are you? Bro, I clipped through the map. I fell all the way down.
Did you kill him? Did you at least kill him?
I just went back up here.
Did you kill him? Did you kill him?
Bro, why is there a red ruby?
That might sell for a lot. Did you kill him at least?
No. He almost killed me though. I'm not half HP. Come on, let's go kill him. Come on. Let's go. Bro, come on.
I'm coming. Let's just go. Let's just go. Go, go, go.
Okay.
So we don't...
If it follows us, I will kill it. I will kill that beast.
Well, there's
Yeah,
two.
I teleported near here, I swear.
I'm just letting you know there's two of
There's
them.
another monster, there's another
Yeah, there's two.
Yeah. Oh, I found the exit.
Yep. Okay, let's not die this time.
Yeah.
Oh, I literally almost violated that. I literally almost died. Bro! You gotta be kidding me! Oh my god!
I'll save you. Bro, I'll save you.
You can't! You're gonna die.
Bro.
Bro, I'm selling. I'm actually selling.
Are you okay?
I'm coming.
Wait, what if we just glitch out the map and then just teleport over here?
Yeah, but I don't have the teleportation gun unlocked.
Oh my.
So I'll meet you there.
Bro. I died.
Oh.
Yeah.
Bro, level 3 is gonna be the hardest by far.
Bro. Are you at spawn or somewhere? Wait, I
Come
I
in.
see your light. Look what I got. I got a Game Boy.
Wait, let me see that. That might be the Pokemon
Look at that.
card. Oh no, that's a Game Boy.
It's a Game Boy. No, when you put it in the
Put this on your
storage,
waist.
it
Put
says-
this on your waist. Put this on your waist instead of a normal flashlight. It'd be better. Put that
On
on
my
your waist
waist?
instead of a normal. Yeah. Can you?
Wait, what if you? No, hold on. I'm gonna do something. Since I don't have that much money, I think I have enough stuff to sell. Look what I got, man.
It's a golden
You know what?
grenade. Your rainbow.
It's from the OG bundle.
Oh.
This is actually the OG grenade. The first grenade ever in Animal Company, but gold. You want one, man? I already have 3 of them. I'll give one of them to you.
Okay.
Here.
Wait, do you get that unlocked? Do you get that like unlocked?
No, like, see? The grenades are like right here. See? The grenade. See? Look.
Yeah, but once you buy the bundle, don't you have it like unlocked?
Yeah, I think. Yeah, you do.
There's a submarines? How much company coins do I have? I only have 70, just great. Oh, the video timer went off. We're gonna have to make a part 2. Okay, part 2 soon. Bye.